that gets tossed around social media almost every day, especially by new traders and new people that come into the market. I'm going to be the first person to tell you a two-sided answer that I kind of want you guys to evaluate and assess before you kind of think to ask that question on social media. Again, the simple answer is yes. There's a lot of people who have made thousands and thousands of dollars, in fact, millions of dollars. And I'm not just talking about Wall Street. I'm not just talking about hedge funds. Everyday retail traders have turned thousands of dollars into millions of dollars. Now, to answer the question, yes, in a sense, you can become rich through day trading. However, more people, and in fact, 80 to 90% of people, and this is just a general statistic percentage that gets thrown around a lot, but around 80 to 90% of day traders are going to fail. 80 to 90% of day traders are going to lose more money than they actually make within the first 1 to 2 years and exit the market and never return. Now, if you do not want to be one of these people, what you need to do is first understand yourself and understand that trading is more emotional than it is technical. I will be the first to tell you, anyone can learn how to read a stock chart. Anyone can learn technical analysis. Anyone can read the news. Anyone can be a momentum trader where they kind of get lucky and get in on a nice pump or a nice dump. Anyone can make money day trading. The odds of you putting money in a stock going higher, probably 40-50% of the time you might make money. Now the other 40 to 50-60% of the time you're going to lose money, and it's how much money you lose that is going to determine whether you are going to stick in this business for the long term or you're going to be wiped out within a matter of weeks, days, or months, right? So what you really need to focus on is how can you kind of flip your mindset to going from I'm trying to get rich day trading to I need to really learn this business and grow slowly over time. A lot of people think that because day trading you can make money like this in an instant, that you're just automatically going to get rich and have, magnitudes of success beyond belief very, very quickly. The game and the key to kind of being successful in making a ton of money in this business, and you can, ask any trader who has been doing this for years and years, and any trader who has had any magnitude of success in this business, what is the key to trading? And the key to trading is discipline, risk management, education, right? And mindset, right? And it's being able to stay in this business over the course of a long time versus trying to make everything up front and right off the bat. Again, day trading is not easy. This is not an easy profession. It is very mentally draining, okay? It is very physically draining as well, because when you kind of deplete that mental kind of energy, it then starts to take a toll on your body. I would recommend to any, day trader, anyone working from home, any entrepreneur that's going to spend hours and hours on their phone or on their computers or on their laptops, first things first, you need to make sure you have a clear mental kind of outlook, right? You need to get outside. You need to get sun. You need to eat properly. You need to exercise. If your body is not right, your mind is not right, right? The gut is the second brain, right? So if what you're putting into your body and what you're doing to your body is not good, then you're not going to have the mental clarity to kind of take action and execute when it comes to looking at the live market. So I know I kind of got off on a tangent there, but it does make sense and it does go hand in hand. So if you're really trying to get rich day trading, I need you guys to really focus on this. Number one is execution. Number two is you need to have that. And when I mean execution when it comes to you need to execute and get the knowledge, execute and get the education, execute and be able to, work out and have that clear kind of mental clarity when you come into the markets, execute when it comes to doing your homework and your due diligence and your, when you're looking through stock charts and you're trying to come up with the watches, you need to execute first. If you are a person or someone who has trouble executing, meaning pulling the trigger, right? If you have a problem being decisive when it comes to making a decision, you're going to have a very, very tough time when it comes to trading the markets, because a lot of times when the markets are on and they're happening, you need to be able to react and make decisions within a split second. The difference between getting in now and getting in 10 minutes from now could be meaning you're up 30-40% or down 60%, right? So execution is going to be key. Education is going to be second. If you don't understand chart patterns, you don't understand supply and demand, you don't understand price action, you don't understand yourself, you don't have a good mental coach, you don't have a good mentor, you don't have a good community to trade with, you're going to drown. You're going to absolutely drown. And that doesn't mean going to Twitter. That doesn't mean going to YouTube and trying to find someone to give you the plays. If you are a person, and I'm not saying that you can't make money, but if you are a person who is joining a just paid signal group where someone is just going to tell you, buy the S&P 500 now, sell the S&P 500 now, you are never going to build a long-lasting trading career. Okay. Now, if you join a community or you hire a coach or you hire a mentor or you take a course where it's actually going to show you, not only are you going to be able to trade with someone live who's doing it and you can see their personal levels, but if you understand why they are taking that trade and understand where your take profit is and understand where your stop loss is, that's a completely different game. But there's a lot of people who want the easy, fast route. And the easy, fast route is for me to tell you, I make over $1 million trading. I live in a mansion. I'm on a yacht in the summer. I drive a Lamborghini. I'm going to tell you when to buy and sell. You're going to make buttloads of money. Come with me, pay me X amount of dollars so I can tell you when to buy and sell. You don't have to do anything. You can sit back and just click a couple buttons and make thousands of dollars. That's what people want to hear. People do not want to hear that it takes hours and hours and hours of technical analysis. It takes hours and hours and hours of screen time. It takes hours and hours of taking trades and looking at trades. And it takes to lose money before you can make money. And that doesn't mean that you need to put $10,000 in, lose it all, and put another $10,000 in. But every single trader, and I don't mean to burst anyone's bubble who is just new to the scene here, every single trader that has ever walked the face of the earth loses money. Losing is a part of this business. If you are not okay with losing, you will never be okay with winning. I hope that makes sense. I've got so much more to kind of go over and cover, on this particular topic. If you guys want more information, join the Discord. We can have a one-on-one conversation. We can go over charts. We can go over mindset. We can go over emotions. We can go over it all. Join the Discord. Link is down in the description. I will see you guys all later.